So today I will show you some of the makeup products I have bought from Sugar Cosmetics. As I also mentioned earlier, I love Sugar Cosmetics product because the products are very much affordable, very nice. They have lots of varieties and my skin is little sensitive, so I cannot use much products, but Sugar really helped me a lot because of my skin sensitivity and it's very nice. So I always prefer Sugar Cosmetics more than other cosmetics brand. So I will show you what are the things I have bought, how to use and everything. Keep watching me. So as I told you that I'll show you some of the products which I bought from Sugar Cosmetics. So the first product, which is a foundation stick. It's very interesting because the one side it's a foundation stick, if you can see, and it's very good for the dry skin. That's why I have bought. And the other side it's the foundation brush. So it's very convenient and handy, so you no need to buy an extra brush for your foundation. It's just attached with the stick itself. The next thing which I bought is a blusher. It's a mini blush palette, so it just has one tone of blusher and it's a very nude shades because nude shades is always good for go-to style and every kind of outfit and style. You can actually mix and match and use this. The other thing I bought is the eyeshadow palette. It has a eyeshadow brush as well to apply the eyeshadows. If you can see, even this palette is little nude shades also because it has gold, apricots, brown, blush and bronze tones and all. It's very good again with all kind of outfits and styling. You can just apply this kind of eyeshadows as well. So I bought a very interesting gel eyeshadow this the last day. So it's like dual tone. It has a mauve color. If you can see the brush type also a little different. So this is the mauve color and the other side it's a bronze color. But if you can see the bronze color ka brush, it's thinner. So you can even use this brush to put a eyeliner as well. So like if you're putting the mauve color as your eyeshadow and this bronze color is an eyeliner, it will create a very unique look. I also bought a tinted powder, setting powder. So it's very new thing I have bought. I didn't use it. This is the first time I am gonna use it. So let's see how does it look. That's all I bought. Keep watching me. I'll again come back with other products as well to show you, to make you understand that what kind of products I use, what suits better for what kind of outfit. Keep watching me, subscribe my channel, hit the button like if you really like this video. Today is a lazy Sunday day and I'm shooting my video, and I hope you all have subscribed my channel. If you didn't, please subscribe my channel because I am Devleena coming with you to show style, fashion, accessories, shoes, everything to make you understand and to talk about styling.